Morning guys, and this is kind of spontaneous recording, but my good friend Dylan came up and we did a motor build for him about, I want to say it was about a year and a half ago. We did a stage 3 simple rod piston motor, head studs, stock heads, and it ran a stock turbo forever. And then I finally talked him into getting the FP green, as you guys know, my favorite, and the car just wants to make power, but our ID1000s just aren't enough, and I think his fuel pump may be tired, or maybe a smaller fuel pump than the AM340 that we run, because I just ran out of injector. So the car ended up on pump gas, made 407, 370 foot-pounds of torque on 20 PSI. And then on the same 20 PSI on E85, I just, like I said, I ran out of injector. I'm at like 95% injector duty cycle here. It made 440 and 410 torque. So it is a 5-speed car, so I did have to kind of ramp power in. But let's go out here, he's letting it warm up. Tell him let's go do a pull in it. I just finished tuning this thing last night. Let's get his reaction. He doesn't even know I'm coming out with the camera. Look how clean this thing is, guys. Woo! I'm putting you on the spot. Got the camera. Excited or what?
Excited.
You ready for more power?
Yeah.
I am. I'm always ready for more power.
And a trans.
Game music. I am. Well, we're letting this thing warm up here. And then we've already talked about doing a bigger fuel system in this thing, so we can go even further.
Yeah.
You want to make that 500 wheel?
Oh yeah.
We all want to make that 500 wheel.
Right up here.
Yeah. Well, we're out to our favorite Mexico spot. First impressions here. I mean, it's probably not much over your pump gas, a little bit more torque, but definitely some upgrade in power. I think this is the most power you've had in this car.
Yeah, yeah.
I wish you would have been in the car last night when we turned her up. She made 486, but I ran way out of injector. Whenever you're ready. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go to the track, and some of you are going to notice in the background, I changed the truck up. I put the stock wheels back on the truck, and that's because I want to sell my other ones and go to 35s and do a 4-inch lift on the truck. So I've already told you guys about that before, and it's becoming up to winter, so I figured I would just go ahead and throw these on for now, and then I can post my other ones up for sale, and if someone jumps on them, then I don't have to take them off the truck. We went ahead, got Josh's trailer for the weekend. Big thank you to Josh. Figured I'd rather give him the money than U-Haul, so went ahead, rented his trailer from him, and we're going to be using this thing to take VA to go racing. So I'm going to get this thing all detached, actually, because the wife has to go to a birthday party, so she's going to just take the truck, and she doesn't need to take the trailer. So I'm going to disconnect the trailer, and then we're going to start working on the RA. I got a drain pan too for that thing, because you guys remember before when I did the oil on it, that it had glitter in the oil, and I did see a couple comments saying they've had the same issue with that same drain pan. So I went ahead and got, you know, your standard, your normal drain pan, and we can see together that we still have glitter in the oil even after all the abuse that we've done to that car. So we got this, and I want to change that, and I'm going to change the transmission fluid as well to our cocktail, because as you guys saw, I missed third gear there, and she's being a little bit tougher to shift. Not too big of a surprise. 19 SDI trans, they just suck. No, they're still good trannies, guys. It's just they need better fluid. So we're gonna be doing that. She's gonna take the truck. I'm gonna disconnect the trailer real quick. Then I'm gonna pull the RA in the driveway. I am gonna pull the catback off of it again, because that was not on it before. So we're gonna pull a catback off of it, drain oil, get that done, and get ready for this race day. Can't freaking wait, guys. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. Now, I got the slicks on the thing. Everything's ready to go. Now I need to drain the oil. So, curious to see, was it that drain pan? Was it that it had metal? I don't know. Plastic drain pan. I don't know where the metal would have came from. Brand new. But we're going to test that theory, guys. We got the other drain pan. So I'm going to drain the oil right now. And we're going to see together. Now, first I got to deal with this fucking shield. God damn it. Why do I got to put this hot boy shit on here? Alright, well, let's test these little drain spots. Looks like it's got a 10 mil there. 2 10s there. I feel like all the oil is going to go on this thing. I don't know. Let's get a 10 and try. Alright, let's see what happens here. Probably could have used the impact, but good old handheld tools. Let's see how this thing works. Come on. Butterfingers today. Very nice. Okay, I got one. If this works, then I'll probably tell you guys to buy one of these. If not, I'm throwing this shit in the trash. Come on. Well, both. Maybe. Got it. Not too bad. Alright, let's go get this damn drain pan here. Looks like there's enough room. I feel like that shit's gonna go everywhere. Here, I'll just let you watch. Let's see if I fail. Oh, of course the wind has to kick up here. Alright, brand new drain pan. No bullshit here. Let's see what happens. And I'll hold this up here because of the damn wind. I feel like this is still gonna be all bad. How are you gonna get your hand out of here now? Oh man, that wasn't too bad actually. I should have grabbed a towel. God damn it. Wind, if you fuck me right now, I swear to God. Oh yeah, this is gonna get sketchy. Come on. Come on. Do not do that. Do not go up there. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Why wouldn't they make that bigger? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Now it's gonna be oil all in there. Son of a... Let me grab a towel. Ah! What kind of design is that? I'm not really sure how I'm gonna keep it from fucking doing that. Huh. Like, do we put a towel up here maybe? Oh yeah, see, look, now there's fucking oil coming out of there. What's the point of making an easy access hole when it's not even easy? It's gonna go right back up there again. Sick. Oh yeah, just sick. Maybe you're supposed to jack the car up from one side so it doesn't do this, but... Oh yeah, look at that. Now we're just making a mess here. Like always. I hate oil changes, guys. Absolutely hate them. Not no damn lube tech. Nothing against lube tech. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Now I just splashed it. Ugh. Guess what? I'd be fired if I was a lube tech at this rate. It's just taking forever. Come on. Quick note. How long do you guys let your oil drain for? Do you sit here for about 20 minutes as it twiddle-dee-dums? Or are you like me and you just go, that looks drained. Drained enough for this motor. Okay, come on. Go on your home. What the hell? Okay. Sick. Now I gotta clean all the oil out of here. Tighten that thing up before we forget. Alright, there we go. Now I need another towel. Because that one's gone. Clamp, damn mess. Damn it, car. Now just pee away. What the hell? Can I even get up there? Oh yeah, we can get up there. get all up in that shit. Sweet. All right, stop that. Stop peeing everywhere. Oh, it smells yum. Smells like E85. Okay. Oh, hopefully I got all that fucking oil out of there. Not looking forward to the oil filter. At this rate, we're gonna salvage title the whole damn thing. I'm gonna end up having to pull it all the way off. Guaranteed. Okay. So, these shields, my opinion, they're okay. Oil change. Definitely jack up from that side instead of having it level, because you're gonna get fucked like me. Okay. Wipe this thing off. You guys ready to see what's in here? I'm not even gonna pull the filter. I'm just gonna check and see what's in this damn thing, because this thing's way too full anyways. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, I was trying to put this camera up, but I'm only one person. So, point of this is I'm gonna drain that into this. And I know that thing's salvage title. That's from old race car motor, all the metal. So, that's not the point of it. We don't need to care about this. We're just gonna drain that, and I'm gonna get it down to the bottom of it. And once I get down to the bottom, we're gonna take a look of what's in there. Let me do that. And the results are in. Boys, it wasn't the pan. And I don't know if this camera's gonna pick it up. I'm trying to go the best angles for you. But we still got a glitter fest. So, this thing's been had a hurt motor ever since we bought the damn car. So, for those of you that said it was the pan, I'm sorry. That's not true. The pan was not the issue. Because this, you saw this pan was brand new. There's no way for this one to be messed up. And, well, there's plenty of glitter in the bottom of it. So, old hurt RA motor has been giving her heart out to us. I'm pretty impressed. Those of you just tuning in, this was already happened when we first changed the oil before even starting the car up with mods on the car. We just put all of them on. I changed the oil, and then we were going to go tune it. Probably should have changed the oil before we did them. And as you guys saw in the last video, you've seen it. Not the last one, but the one when we did that, it had glitter and oil too. But just about the same as it does now. So VR1's doing work in there because we got glitter. Oh well. That's all right, girl. Come on. One more track day, right? We just need to freaking get through this track day. I think she's got it in her, guys. We're gonna put some good old VR1 in it and send it for the boys. All right, things all together, running. I'm gonna go grab some food in this thing since the wife has the truck, so I don't have a choice. So on the slicks, we are gonna go grab some food, and maybe I'll spray this thing off. And then from there, it's gonna be about time to load this thing up. Hopefully we can get going and go racing tomorrow. I did adjust the clutch a little bit. Hopefully that'll help with the car not wanting to go in gear on the last track day. And I did put that transmission cocktail in. So fresh oil change. We'll see how things go, guys. Cross your fingers. But that's gonna wrap up the video today for you guys. So thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the race day.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground.